All right, welcome back to part 3. Hope you enjoyed the first 2. If you haven't seen them, I'll drop links in the comments below. But we're just going to get right after it. Again, I apologize for the terrible wind noise, but I think you'll enjoy the video. You can hear my narration pretty well on this one, so let's get going. All right, I'm going to take a look at this Pontiac. Let's see what technology we got going on here. Nothing, just a Catalina. Just taking a quick scan. Again, if you see anything you just need or you need more info on, Paul's number will be at the end of the video. And the coolest thing is, unlike most junkyard owners, Paul's like, yeah, come on in, Dan, just tool around, do whatever you want. I'm like, cool. We've got Morse Minor, I think. Window cab back in there. Look at that sucker. Oh my, that needs to be built, folks. That needs to be built. All right, check this out. Those are the windows that go into this, what is it, Travelall? Looks kind of Travelall-ish. Can't really tell. Again, oh, whatever it is, there's its twin. That's pretty cool. And when I talked about Paul letting me get in here, folks, there's a reason junkyard owners don't let you in. Look at that truck sitting up there. If that were to blow over on me, I would not sue Paul, because I know I'm an idiot and he's just allowing me to be an idiot. But some people would. So we're just gonna sneak past that thing real quick. Not a big fan of getting squashed today. That is insane. All right, more Corvairs. Starting to get into some newer stuff again. I'm gonna try and fight my way back in there. But we're gonna scan around the front here first. I know I'm not getting great footage for y'all, but doing the best I can. 70s wagon, Falcon Ranchero. Dodge Dart, square body Chevy. I want to get into here. What are these? What is the W? All right, looking at that 5-window cab. It's GMC. That's buildable, folks. W, an Aero Lark. What in the world am I looking at? Oh, it's Willis, or Willys, as lots of people like to say. Another 5-window. Check out the tree growing out of that 5-window. Oh, that's a carnival ride, and it's a Corvair, I think. There's the Mazda back in there. We're gonna make our way to it. Did see a Mazda RX-2 in here last time. This one is not it. What is that? Or, no, that's an Opel Manta, isn't it? Nope. Nope, Cadet. Come on, I'm American and I know what an Opel is. Leave me alone. one's more than a little bit scary. Oh, an old ambulance. I think it's an ambulance. Maybe not. Maybe a, what's that say, Roswell Pharmacy? Old Ford. And folks, if you're worried about rust on these, yeah, don't be. Yes, there's gonna be some. They've been sitting for a long time. Look at the paint on that. That would patina out so well, because it has patinaed itself, what's known as the right way. I'm guessing that RX-2 I saw last time is gone. That's a little frustrating. What do we got here? An old Renault. Look at that. I might need, that is a 4-door. I might need to add that Renault to my small car collection. Okay, I don't think we snuck into this area yet. We're gonna see what's back in here. Trucks. And trucks. And trucks. And a Grand Am. Nice 3100. Man, that thing is super solid. Holy cow. Man, that 3100 5-window, that neat. Somebody build that. I'm telling you folks, you don't find them like this. And then there's the weird. I do not know what this is. It's a Lloyd. It's got a Volkswagen air cleaner on it. It's got what looks, huh. And then, oh, you know, just your random 50s beauty Bel Air. Because, you know, everybody's just got those sitting around. All right, we're gonna head. I think we've been down this part. I don't really care. Oh my gosh. Look at that old Ford. Look what's behind it. Looks to be set. Looks like it was an old wrecker, and it's got something sitting on the wrecker. Old Chevy. Sunbeam bread truck. That's pretty cool. Valley Tree Service.
All right, so that's it for part 3. Watch for part 4 coming up in a couple days. Try not to drop them too much to overwhelm YouTube. So again, Paul's contact info was just there in the video. I'll put it again right after I shut up. Call him. Like, this old elderly gentleman wants nothing more than for these cars to be saved. He doesn't want them to get crushed. He has kept them from getting crushed. He's kept the crushers at bay. If he were to pass away, his fear is that they're going to get crushed. So let's save as many of these cars as you can. If you want to donate, I will gladly take your money and give it to Paul and save some cars. All right, thanks. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks again from New Mexico Desert Classics. That's not easy to say.